What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, as you can see, we're gonna do an unboxing video. This unboxing video is of a Ozark Trail product. This is their cooler, their performance cooler. First we're gonna start off with the outside and then move in. So, as you can see, pretty decent sized cooler here. On the top it has 2 slots for your drinks, and it has the Ozark logo right there on the top, and then it also has a measuring ruler right on the top, just in case you want to measure something. It has a very nice high quality handle, very sturdy. As you can see on the side here, it's got a spout for your melted ice water. Now, I wanted to pick this particular item up for myself because it's the summer, we have camping to do, so we need something to put our drinks in, something that's not going to spill out. Same thing with fishing. I like to fish a lot, and I want something, so if I catch something that I want to bring home, I have something that won't spill, and it will keep my fish cold, so that way when I go home I can do my thing. Now, coolers normally don't have locks. This particular cooler does have locks, and that's what I was looking for, because I don't want to be driving around and having the top loose and then pop off and spill out all over my trunk. So I was specifically looking for a cooler that has locks on it. Now, this bad boy I paid $88, I believe, at Walmart. You can find this one online on Amazon, so I will leave a link in the description below for you. But let's continue on with this unboxing. So on the front here, it says 26 quart high performance cooler by Ozark Trail Outdoor Equipment. Virtually unbreakable right here on the sticker, it says. It also says on the top here, small sticker, says reduces bacteria by 99%, stain resistant, odor resistant, easier to clean. Says you can find it at Walmart, like I've said before, and that's pretty much it for the outside here. So on the inside, very nice cooler, very high quality, very thick, very durable. Inside here you got another logo, and comes with a sheet of paper that tells you it's got performance and ice packing guide here, it says. So it's pretty much a sheet of paper that tells you, you know, if you got 30 pounds of ice in here, it's gonna last you, it says 4.5 days, which is the full container. You can do 30 pounds of ice in this container without any drinks in it. Or it says if you do 18 to 20 pounds of ice with, you know, one third of drinks and foods in it, it's gonna be 3 days it's gonna last you. And if you're doing 50-50, 50% drinks, 50% ice, 14 to 15 pounds of cubed ice, it's gonna last you about 2.5 days. And then it also gives you instructions on how to properly fill it, and and what ice that you want to have in here that will, you know, keep your drinks colder and keep your ice from melting faster. So ice, it says here, ice from an ice maker is going to melt faster than freezer ice. And it shows you how to properly pack it, and pack it completely full. And that will be about it for the piece of paper. Now, try to get this up for you like that. Pretty decent size. Very durable, like I said. Very high quality. Now, coolers aren't very cheap anyways, but if you're going to buy a cooler, you might as well have something that's going to last you a very long time. And then this is one of those products that are going to last you a very long time. So I made sure to go ahead and pick this up. Also, I really like that it has drink slots right here on the top. So after you're done grabbing your drink from in here, you can use this as a table as well. And it has a measuring strip here. So it's multi-purpose. Something you can carry with you when you're going to, if you're tailgating, or you're going to a buddy's house, you're going camping, you're going fishing. There's a lot of different ways that you can use a cooler and to get something that's going to keep your stuff secured and keep it cold for a very long time. So if this is something you guys are looking to pick up, if you're in a market for a cooler and this is something you like, I will, like I said before, I will leave a link in the description for you below. Also, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.